Hey, what's up? I received this projector a few months ago, but I didn't have time to make a video about it. It's a pity that I am doing the review so late, because it is a very interesting projector. This is Blitzwolf BW-VP1 Pro, and its price is only $80. I will leave the links to the best deals in description under the video. The main features of Blitzwolf projector is 720p native resolution, 2800 lumens brightness, phone screen mirroring, and wireless connection. So let's do unboxing and full review of Blitzwolf BW-VP1 Pro projector. As you can see, the box was a little damaged during delivery. However, it is not a big problem. You can read specifications of projector on the side face, such as model, material, native resolution, brightness, contrast ratio, etc. Inside the box there is a projector itself and another small box with remote control, power plug, AV signal cable, HDMI cable, and user manual. This is all you get with this projector. Talking about design of Blitzwolf BW-VP1 Pro, this is really compact projector. For example, I have another projector from Projector, and it is much bigger than this one. Also, Blitzwolf projector looks very stylish. The body is made of plastic, but the front side looks like metal. Here we can see lens with protective cap, infrared sensor, Blitzwolf logo, and main functions of this projector, screen mirroring. On the back there is a speaker, another infrared sensor for remote control, and power connector. All the ports and connectors are located on the left side, such as VGA, HDMI, USB, 3.5mm audio jack, and AV. Also, projector has control panel on the top. As you can see, there are up and down, left and right buttons, source, menu, back, OK, and power. You can also use kickstand to raise the front of projector. You know the price of a Blitzwolf BW-VP1 Pro is only $80, but it looks very good. Actually, it looks like a premium projector. However, specifications say that this is a budget device. Let's talk about them a little. I bought a projector on Banggood, so I will show you specifications on this website. As you can see, Blitzwolf BW-VP1 Pro has 720p native resolution, but it supports 1080p resolution. The brightness is 2800 lumens. The maximum projection size is 300 inches. As you can see, projector supports 3D. Also, you should know about contrast ratio 2000:1 and keystone correction ± 20 degrees. By the way, you can also download the manual on Banggood how to use the same screen function. Blitzwolf BW-VP1 Pro doesn't have Android operating system, so you need to connect external device to use it. For example, you can connect USB flash drive, laptop, smartphone, game console, etc. Let me show you how to connect the smartphone to projector via Wi-Fi. First, you need to turn on projector, then go to the settings on mobile device, connection and sharing, wireless display, and choose RKcast 19BF84. That's all. It is really fast and easy. Do you agree? By the way, the delay during wireless connection is small, so you can even play the games. Also, projector has its own settings menu. Here you can change language, picture mode, temperature, color, aspect ratio, noise reduction, clip, and sound settings. Now I want to check the sound and noise level. As you can see, the speaker of this projector is not very loud, only 69 decibels. However, it is also not noise, 35 decibels. That's very good. So I have connected projector to my laptop, and now you can see the picture quality. To be honest, I'm very surprised by the image. It is really good for $80 projector. What do you think? Write in the comments below.
Dunkin' Donuts found it so hard to break into the LA market that in the late 90s, they gave up. They call me Donut King.
Ted opened workshops, and he gave Cambodian refugees a chance to really make it in America.
I sponsor more than 100 families. You spread like wildfire, so fast.
Jacko! Oh, hungry Kendall there! One goal to win the title, it's as simple as that. Could it happen, Balotelli? They battle in the corner, it's finessed by Keith around for a beat in front. Score! Takes the back goal! With 1:16 to go in the third! Out to the back, don't do it!
Okay, kid, just don't drop us.
Just keep it slow, keep it in the center. Yeah, there's a lot of backseat driving going on. We're good. Everything's good.
Jesus Christ.
Blitzwolf BW-VP1 Pro is not the new projector. It was released about a half-year ago. There are already many other projectors from this company. I will leave the links to them in the description under the video. Anyway, I really like this model. This projector is very affordable, only $80, but it has good picture quality and many useful functions, such as phone screen mirroring and wireless connection. I think Blitzwolf BW-VP1 Pro is good projector for the first time. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.